everyone! We are going to do an experiment on why it is important to wash your hands. But before we get into the fun stuff, I'm gonna share facts about germs. Let's go! Germs are teeny tiny organisms can get into our bodies and make us sick if we don't exercise proper hygiene. We can get germs everywhere, from playing outside I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. Snack time! Hello, Panda! To the air we breathe. What? Bless you. Or from the people we interact.
Going. Oh, high five. Okay. High five.
For this experiment, we will need a bowl, water, liquid dishwasher, and some grounded black pepper. First, take the bowl and fill it with water. Be very careful, guys. Next, sprinkle some pepper over the water. Dip your finger into the water and let's pretend these are germs. 3, 2, 1. Look! Oh, look! Ate Sean, there's germs on my finger. Eee! Now pay attention, kids, because here's how it is important to wash your hands. This will happen without soap. Sticks in our hands and put some soap on your finger and dip it into the bowl. It's spread. Let me try it again. Yeah. So kids, we learned that germs move away when we use soap. So this is why washing your hands is so important. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And click the notification bell. Bye! I hope you like my video. Bye!